Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Ever wondered how restaurants get their pasta so incredibly creamy? The secret isn't just heavy cream. We'll explore how using simple ingredients, especially that starchy pasta water, can transform your dish. Get ready to learn the tricks for a rich, luscious sauce that coats every single strand perfectly. This method ensures your pasta is never dry, always delicious. First things first, cook your pasta in plenty of heavily salted water. Think ocean water salty, this adds flavor right into the pasta itself. Don't overcook it though, you want it al dente, which means it still has a little bite. This is crucial because it will finish cooking in the sauce. And here's a vital tip, always reserve about a cup of that starchy pasta water before draining. Now, let's build that amazing sauce. Start by gently sautéing some minced garlic or shallots in a pan with a bit of butter or olive oil until fragrant. Next, if you're using them, add a splash of wine or broth, letting it reduce slightly. The crucial step for creaminess is to take the pan off the heat and slowly whisk in freshly grated Parmesan cheese, creating a smooth, velvety base. This is where everything comes together. Transfer your al dente pasta directly from its pot into your pan of sauce. Now, start adding that reserved pasta water, just a tablespoon or two at a time, stirring constantly. The starch in the water helps the sauce emulsify, transforming it into a luxurious, glossy coating. Keep tossing and stirring until every strand is beautifully coated and the sauce is perfectly rich. Give your pasta a quick taste and adjust the seasoning as needed, perhaps a pinch more salt or freshly ground black pepper. For an extra touch of decadence, stir in a small knob of cold butter right at the end. It adds incredible gloss and richness. Serve your creamy pasta immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or more Parmesan. Enjoy this truly comforting and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.